Hello and welcome to ISTV News. I am Jayalakshmi Ngangwam with the news. First, the top stories. Eid ul-Fitr celebrated in Manipur by Muslim brethren with religious fervor. Manipur joins the rest of international community in observing World Indigenous Day, and Manipur emerged overall team champion at the Sub-Junior National Judo Championship. Now the news in detail. After a month-long observation of holy month of Ramzan by Muslims across the world, Muslims in Manipur, locally known as Meitei Pangals of the state, also celebrated Eid ul-Fitr with religious fervor and gay. As part of the celebration, Muslims in large numbers turn up to their nearest masjids for offering namaz. In preparations for this day, the Muslims in large numbers have started shopping for various items a few days before. The main highlights of the festival are offering of prayers to the masjids, offering of delicious foods, presentation of gifts and begging of money by kids. The inner meaning of the festival is to extend all possible help to the poor and needy with the idea to live and share together. It is expected that with the celebration of Eid ul-Fitr, let there be peace, prosperity and happiness in Manipur. In connection with the festival, Governor and Chief Minister along with various organizations of the state have extended warm greetings to the Muslim brethren of Manipur. International Day of World's Indigenous People is being observed today. On December 23, 1994, United States had announced that August 9th will be observed as International Day of World's Indigenous People to save the indigenous community from extinction. The UN declaration is supported by 114 countries. To mark the day, Student Wing of Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System in Manipur organized a cycle rally. The rally was flagged from Nambol Higher Secondary Ground. The cycle rally team was however denied to proceed by the police at Kwakitel checkpost. After producing a permit to conduct a rally, the cyclists were allowed to pass through. The rally team passed through Singzamai Bazar, Yai School, Wahingbam Lekai, Khuyatong, Chimairong, finally culminating at Hapta Kangzebung. Various placards were also displayed with slogans like "Implement Inner Line Permit System in Manipur." Convener of the Joint Committee, M. Angambas, said there is fear of indigenous people of Manipur being wiped out. To save the indigenous people, it is necessary to implement ILP in the state.
Matam kya gi mamangdagi sahi listing ani gi puwari gi itihas leiraba asiguma ekhoi indigenous community si kannamai damakta ekhoi hariba World Indigenous Peoples Day singasi Manipur da panthok chabane maroina pinning eba paujen se matam kya gi mamangdagi state government no kiba Manipur da inner line permit system chana na bagi mati yellow mi kannana bagi lokiba ware bado thabak to ontok pirakanda malemi mi kudimangna yellow mi kudimangna masa masa gi mapru kannaba thawai yauriba samaina koi iramdam yoiba lenga Sinasu, Iramdam Izati, Sikalona Begatumba, Hawaii Yobi Bolona, ILP Sana Loiba, Pausian Simatang, Masi Mapima Power in the Tamjeri.
4-day-long Sub-Junior National Judo Championship for boys and girls ended today at Kumanlam Park. Manipur was the overall team champion. Manipur with 29 points topped the girls team while Mizoram boys topped the table with 23 points. The closing day function was attended by Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh as a chief guest. Also attending the function were Works Minister and President of Manipur Judo Association, Dr. T.H. Ratan Kumar, Parliamentary Secretary Megha Chandra, Parliamentary Secretary Wungzagin Valte, among others. The Sub-Junior National Judo Championship is organized by Manipur Judo Association under the aegis of Judo Federation of India. The Manipur girls team bagged 3 gold medals, 4 silver medals and 2 bronze medals. The girls team from Delhi were in second position with 3 gold medals and 2 bronze medals. Haryana team came in third place with 1 gold, 1 silver and 6 bronze. In the boys team, Mizoram topped the table with 3 gold medals, 2 silver medals and 2 bronze medals. Haryana team was second with 3 gold medals and 3 bronze medals, while Delhi boys team came third with 2 gold medals, 2 silver medals and 2 bronze medals. Boys team from Manipur came in fourth position with 2 gold medals, 1 silver medals and 5 bronze medals. Players from 21 states participated in the championship, which began on 7th August. Speaking during the function, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh congratulated Manipur team for their commendable performance. He said his government is keen to develop games and sports among the future pillars of the nation, as it is the basis for bringing sound health and mental well-being, self-respect and good character in society. The Chief Minister further said Government of India is providing all possible assistance for infrastructure development of different disciplines of games and sports, and that his government is doing its best despite fund constraints to provide reasonable quality infrastructure. Stating that Manipur has produced many judokas who have won medals in national and international championships, Chief Minister Okrami Bobi Singh said organizing such national championships will go a long way in the development of judo in the state.
Future pillar of the nation to devote their time and energy for their development of its full potential through games and sports. The Government of India is therefore providing all possible assistance for infrastructure development of different disciplines of games and sports. My government is also doing its best despite some constraints. We can be proud that in all disciplines we have been able to provide reasonable quality infrastructure. The game of judo, which is originated in Japan.
The Fire Service Department's telephone number 101 is out of service. The Fire Service Department can be contacted at 94362 74661, 94360 20777 and 84159 71234. Road stretch from Narungtong to Makui Chingjin, which has been neglected by authorities for many years, is in deplorable condition. However, the local residents have started repairing the road. Tagyal Kongbal Chowkat Taurang Loop is spearheading the project with the help of local residents. Today, the volunteers laid stones on the road. Aung Sambam Ozit of Kongbal Chowkat Taurang Loop said repairing of the road has been undertaken with the help of the public. President of the Loop, N. Gopal, said the next project will be to provide drinking water to the public. An organization christened as Indigenous Minorities Organization Manipur was formed today with an aim to protect and grow all small minority groups inhabiting in Manipur. Khuplar Kom, Bapui Purum and Rangson Thanga were elected as President, Vice President and General Secretary respectively. A recognition ceremony for the newly formed organization was held at its office located at Pureiromba, Kongnangkong today. Various leaders of many reputed organizations of the state were also present on the occasion. Those who spoke on the occasion has assured to extend all possible help to the newly set up organization in its effort to save and protect indigenous minorities of the state and in protecting territorial integrity of the state. Momon of Chingmitami Nupilub said it is very encouraging to learn about emergence of a new organization for protection of indigenous minorities of the state. Maintaining that all possible help will be extended to the organization, she further said that we should be well aware of the fact that India government is trying to break and divide unity and integrity of various minority groups in the state. She also urged minorities to take a leading role in various important issues of the state.
Ikai khumna jari karigidamata no aikoi ngasigi sing amasung tam haidana singmi tami singmi haidana ngasi phau dai koina laiba akoi sangsina laise akoi sing da ayamba aikoina hek hodoro badagina aikoi tampak da koi wana sin taujade singda leiba akoi ihan hamba dai khoi longa koren khunda khoi singtam na minna duna polan ba adugum laba nung sisana be gi likhul ipa ipu buru magi likhun bu ai khoi na mari thiga sare.
That's all we have in the news. Now the top stories once again. Eid ul-Fitr celebrated in Manipur by Muslims brethren with religious fervor. Manipur joins the rest of international community in observing World Indigenous Day, and Manipur emerged overall team champion at the Sub-Junior National Judo Championship. Thanks for joining us. Goodbye.